Vermont Tool Company. Name brand tools with a warranty. Your premium automotive supplier. Helping others worldwide receive tools.
How's it going, everybody? Vermont Tool Company. We're back with another Milwaukee item. This time we have part number 29666804. It's a metric and SAE 27-piece half-inch drive impact socket set with a pack out. So it is a removable storage and is the most versatile, durable, modular storage system from Milwaukee. So here it is, my friends. I've been told these are actually waterproof too. This is a very hard plastic, so even if you did drop something on it, the likelihood of it breaking is probably really low. The latches are on the side right here with the handle. There's two latches. There we go. And we pop the oh yeah, check this out. So you can actually lock this right there. You can put a padlock through it so that way nobody could steal your brand new sockets. So it is removable. I wouldn't even try and put your finger in there. Just kind of, tip this out like that. And then, so if you just wanted the sockets, then you can have this modular storage system to put whatever you want into it. And then you flip it over, and that's going to hook on to your pack-out kits. So that way you can carry it around. You can dolly it around. So let's take a look at the sockets. We got the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Oh, where's 23? They said fuck it. 24. And we got 3/8, 7/16, half inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, the 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, 5/16, the 1 inch. I don't know what that one is. And then the 1 1/2. So let me see the back of the package. It's going to tell us the sizes. Let's see. I'm guessing it's the 1/16, 27 millimeter, the 1 1/16, right there. So then you have the 1 inch, 1 1/16, and 1 1/8. So I got this set for sale on our website at vermonttoolcompany.com, and this one does have free shipping with it, you guys. Hey, thanks for watching our videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.